A customer came to me with a complaint that their check engine light was on. To diagnose the issue, I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and retrieved the code 2A15 fuel tank ventilation and air purge system, minor leak. I started by inspecting the evaporative emission (EVAP) system for any obvious faults, such as damaged hoses or loose connections, but everything appeared to be in good condition. To investigate further, I used the scan tool to seal the EVAP system by commanding the EVAP purge solenoid valve and EVAP vent solenoid to close. This step isolates the system and allows for more accurate leak detection. Next, I connected a smoke machine to the EVAP system and introduced smoke to identify the source of the leak. During this test, I observed smoke escaping from the gas cap. To confirm the gas cap was faulty, I removed it and used a gas cap tester to apply pressure. The cap failed to retain the applied pressure, which confirmed it was defective. The gas cap is a crucial component of the EVAP system, which prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. A faulty gas cap can cause small leaks, triggering the check engine light and leading to inefficient emissions control. Replacing the gas cap is an essential step to restore the system's integrity and ensure compliance with emissions standards. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty gas cap with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the diagnostic codes using the scan tool and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The check engine light remained off, and no fault codes returned, confirming that the EVAP system was functioning properly. This systematic approach ensured that the minor leak in the EVAP system was accurately diagnosed and repaired. Maintaining a properly sealed EVAP system is essential for reducing emissions and keeping the vehicle running efficiently.